Hey guys, it's Emily Elizabeth and today is Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day to everyone. I thought I'd make a get ready with me video today, a Valentine's Day edition. My boyfriend and I are gonna get ready to go out to dinner soon, so I just thought I'd take you along on what I do to get ready for a more special event. I don't wear that much makeup in general, but I thought I'd just show you what I do. This is what I'm wearing right now, just a plain sweatshirt. My hair, this is second day hair, but it actually, a little bit dirtier of hair is easier to work with. Not dirty, but like a second day hair or a little bit after you've washed it, it's a lot easier to curl, to braid, to just manipulate. So I put a little bit of dry shampoo in it and it is all ready to work with. I did get kind of half ready for the day already just because we went out for breakfast this morning at one of our favorite little diner cafe thingies. But I'm gonna kind of get more ready, I guess you could call it. So we're gonna go out to dinner at this cute place. I'll show you my makeup routine, my hair routine, and what I'm wearing tonight. All right, so first, makeup. I'm gonna start with my foundation. I don't know how to do my makeup super fancy, but this is what we're working with. Basically all I've done right now is my eyebrows, but I'm just gonna finish the look. I have my mirror here. I love this mirror. It has two sides to it. So there's one where there's a regular close-up and then there's a magnified side if you flip it. And it's Bluetooth, so it can hook up to my phone and play music, which is super awesome when I'm getting ready. I don't use anything fancy. This is just the Neutrogena Nourishing Long-Lasting Makeup. Oh my gosh, the letters are falling off. I always keep it in this baggie in case it spills because I always feel like it's gonna leak one day because it lasts for 12 hours. But I really like that it has SPF in it so that it protects you from the sun. Sorry that some of the letters are missing, but this is what I use. It just because I keep it in a little bag that it's worn away. But this is in the color Honey, number 85. This is more my summer tone, but it's all I got right now. So that is what we're working with. I'm also gonna show you guys my lip stuff, what I wear on my lips. It's super awesome because it doesn't come off. You can kiss your significant other, you can eat, and it doesn't come off. I'm just gonna finish putting on my foundation. So I also wanted to know like what you guys do. Like, do you guys go out to eat? Do you prefer to make dinner for each other and stay in? I've done both. We kind of do a combination of both. Like usually we go out to eat, but then we'll kind of stay in, watch a movie, and eat popcorn and candy, and I'll have some wine because I like wine. He doesn't like beverages, alcoholic beverages, but I think it's just fun to relax because there's not a lot of downtime. Like I don't have a lot of downtime, so it's really nice to have downtime. It sounds so weird, but relaxing is a super nice way to just spend time with each other, you know? Also, I know that I don't have the fanciest routine, so don't kill me, all you beauty connoisseurs, for if I do something wrong, because I haven't learned. I need to learn though, seriously. Honestly, I don't have the time. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm just gonna touch it up a little bit. My Brow Ultra Slim crayon pencil, I don't know what you call it, where you can twist up so then you don't have to stop and sharpen it every single time. And then it also has the brush on the end, which is super helpful. Also, because I am going to curl my hair tonight, I usually will turn on my curling iron halfway through my makeup routine so that it has a chance to heat up, but I'm not just sitting there staring at it heat up. Will go turn that on in a second. I like to use eyeliner on my bottom waterline just because my eyes are kind of, I don't know, it just defines my eyes a little bit more and I like that look. They just make my eyes look more full, so I just add some to my waterline. So usually I put on my mascara first, and I put on my mascara before I put on my eyeshadow because my eyelashes are so long that they curl into my eyelid. So as I'm putting the mascara on, it usually gets all over my eye. Not even that I do it messy, it's just that's what happens. So I usually like to curl it first. I know these eyelash colors are so old-fashioned, but I feel like people don't use them anymore only because they have fake eyelashes or eyelash extensions, which if that works for you, that's great. I do have eyelashes that I can work with, thank goodness. So I like to just give them a little curl first and then I go in with the mascara. This is the CoverGirl Lash Blast Fusion. That's a tongue twister, holy moly. And usually if there's any on my eyelid, I use a Q-tip to take off any extra that is on my eyelid, because if I had done my entire eyeshadow routine or put on eyeshadow and whatnot and did my eyes, then it would get all over the place and then I'd have to start over and it's super frustrating. And I do like the last curl of my eyelashes, like I curl my eyelashes for the final time after I've put on my eyeshadow. There, what do you guys think? Okay, nothing too fancy yet. Now, okay, I know this is a super old eyeshadow palette. I don't have all the fancy ones because I don't usually wear eyeshadow. I'm one of those people that touches my eyes a lot during the day, so I usually don't wear eyeshadow because I always mess it up. But tonight I am using the Barely There eyeshadow palette. Don't make fun of me, but this is what I'm using. I need to get a new one, so let me know in the comments what you guys recommend. That's not too expensive too, because I don't want to spend a lot on it just because I don't wear it too often. I like a lot of the warmer tones. So if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. Also, I know some of you are probably dying at the fact that I'm using this right now, but I have no makeup brushes either, so I'm doing this super simple because I'm just not that fancy and I don't know how to use all those brushes. Honestly, I just don't know. So I'm sure a lot of you are dying at the fact that I'm using this little store, whatever this, the like store version that it comes with. But that's what I'm working with right now. You guys would never know. I mean, some of you might. And I like to put just a little bit of the like light color under my eyelashes and in my, like in the corner, in my tear duct corner, to kind of brighten the look a little bit more. Okay, I don't know if I want to do a winged eyeliner wing because I don't know where my liquid eyeliner is now that I'm getting ready, so that's nice. But so yeah, okay, I won't do that this time only because I don't know where it is and I think I ran out, so I think I threw it away. Shoot. But anyways, so we just won't do that this time, but I'm gonna go ahead and curl this again because it gives it just a little extra boost. See, look at that. Can you guys see the difference? So I curl it and then I put mascara on and then I curl it again. So this one is the second curl, this one is the not second curl. I've had people ask me too if these are my real lashes and they almost don't believe me, but they are. I can't, like, keeping up with that is too much work. Like, I do my nails, I get my nails done. They're my Valentine's Day nails. I had stripes on my middle finger, but I didn't like it, so I did it over myself. And then I just had the little XOXO stickers, and I got pink. Now I'm going to do my lips. I told you guys, this is super simple. Here is what I use. This is the lip sense that I use. My mom was selling these for a little while, so I got them from her, but you can basically just look them up and people will have them. This one, because it's Valentine's Day, I'm gonna use the Candy Cane Red. I also like, I think it's called Blue Rose or Blue Red. I know it sounds very weird, but it's like this really potent, strong red, and it gives you, you know, that sassy look sometimes. So I'm gonna wear a red dress tonight and wear my red lip sense. So like I was saying, this stuff is super awesome because it doesn't come off when you're kissing your significant other on the cheek, and it doesn't come off when you're eating a hamburger or spaghetti, you know, whatever you're eating tonight for your Valentine's Day dinner, this will not come off. Whatever I decide to eat tonight will not come off, but I love this purely because of that, and then I don't have to worry about if makeup is running off or if I have to fix my lipstick, you know, so it's super, super helpful. So you just put on 3 layers of this. So I'm gonna put on the first layer, let it dry, the second layer, let it dry, third layer, let it dry, and then we're gonna seal it in with the gloss. Okay, so this is what it looks like more up close. This is the Candy Cane Red. So you can see how bright it is and it won't come off. So I put on all 3 layers and let it dry. Now I'm gonna seal it in with the moisturizing gloss that it comes with. And there is, if you kind of mess up, there's an oops remover that comes with it where you can just touch it up because it is more permanent. So you wanna get it off so that you don't look crazy. Seal it in with some gloss. And there we go. My lips are done. I think that is all I'm gonna do for makeup. We're not going to anywhere super, super fancy, but it's pretty, I don't know, it's regular fancy, you know what I mean? Sometimes we go into Boston, sometimes we go, I I don't know, random different places. I'm just gonna go to a little Italian place. But next it's time for hair. Okay, so I just went into the bathroom and set my curling iron to 380 degrees. It heats up pretty quick. But today I think I'm gonna do a braid around the side of my head on one side, and then it will all fall, my hair will fall onto one side, and then I'll curl the rest that is hanging down here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a Dutch braid out here. I usually like to just do the braid enough so that it can be tucked in underneath my hair, like under this hair. So I'll just go ahead and finish off this braid. I want to leave some of this not braided so that I can curl it with the rest of my hair. Okay, so I just tied it off with a regular hair tie. You can also use one of the elastics if you have that. So now I have this weird, crazy looking thing, but when you tuck it around your head like this, that will be what it looks like. So I'm just gonna use a couple bobby pins to hold it in place. I have the Remington titanium wand with a 1-inch barrel, and I have it set to 380 degrees, and then I have this little lock here that I can lock it so it doesn't change. I did bobby pin this piece in. It's just gonna hang here and look crazy for a little bit. Just gonna brush through this so that all of the hair is smooth and easy to work with. Like I said, it's a lot easier to curl when you have slightly dirtier hair. All my hair is going to be on one side of my head. I'm going to curl it all in the same direction so that it all curls together. So I'm going to curl it away from my face so that the front pieces match the back pieces. I did actually do a video on how I curl my hair. I'll link it down below, but I can curl my hair with this wand in 10 minutes. Obviously, I might take more time tonight just to make sure that I have the look exactly that I want. But this curling iron is so good for making beachy waves, for making tight ones. It all really depends on the size of the piece of hair that you take. So if you take bigger chunks, it'll make more beachy waves. If you take smaller chunks, it'll make tighter curls. Anyways, I will link that video down below so that you guys can see how I curl my hair quickly. Like, look at all this hair. I can literally still curl this in 10 minutes. Like, this really will maybe take me 15 because I'm doing it a little extra. A little trick I do use is to hold the curl after I've curled it to let it cool down a little bit, and then it stays curled longer. Okay, now that my hair is done, I'm just gonna clip this part back under my hair. And then I just cover it up. There we go. Okay, now time to get dressed. Okay, here is the dress I'm wearing. It's the one that I got in Jamaica, and I'm wearing it with these cute little black shoes I got from DSW. So I'm gonna put that on now. I am dressed now. I'll show you my outfit in a second, but last is jewelry. Actually, I'm gonna wear these cute ones. They're a little bit fancier. Oh, we have to go. I have my little jewelry holder over there, so that's what I'm using. And then I wear this black necklace to go with my black shoes. There we go. Alrighty. I'm gonna take my lip gloss with me and time to go.
Okay, we changed our mind and we came to Cheesecake Factory. Say hi. My date. I got a peach Bellini and it's so good. Happy Valentine's Day. See, my lipstick didn't come off. Cheers. Fun fact, this is our 5th Valentine's Day together. We had our first Valentine's Day here actually, right? Yeah. The first restaurant we went to actually changed their entire menu for Valentine's Day, and they had like steak and swordfish, both of which we don't eat, so we decided to come here instead, which works out because we love this place, and somehow we got a table in 5 minutes. Like, seriously guys, we waited 5 minutes and got a table, so everything happens for a reason.
Oh, 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 I can't live without you. Oh, 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 I can't breathe without your love.
Okay, we are back home now. We had an amazing dinner. If you didn't hear what I was saying in there, we originally had reservations at another restaurant, and they changed their entire menu and basically didn't say that on their website where we made the reservation through. So I didn't like the entire new menu that they were serving, and they were only serving that. So we decided to go to the Cheesecake Factory, which is fine because we both love the Cheesecake Factory. So it worked out well, and we got seated somehow in 5 minutes. They were like, we have a high top open, do you want to sit there instead? And we were like, yeah, why not? Anyways, here is the final look of my hair. I don't know if I had showed you, and then I just curled the bottom and put on this necklace, earrings. Had to have the jewelry. I forgot to put on a bracelet, but that's fine. I hope you guys all had a fabulous Valentine's Day. To those if you have a significant other, and if you don't, I hope you had a good day either way. Anyways, thank you for getting ready with me. I hope you enjoyed this Valentine's Day edition. I will see you guys in my next video.